It was all a dream on the scene, making mean.
Then I came along and changed everything.
From ciphers to diapers,
Green jiggly
but the
ding.
grind don't stop.
We just got a bigger team.
All the way to the top.
Mom, what does that mean?
The time is now or never. We the
are
dream team.
How are we gonna get paid for this? What's up, guys? It's your girl Cardi, aka Smalls, aka whatever you wanna call me. Back with another video. Today we will be doing this. It's called slime cakes, and it seems like a cool thing. And it's really pretty. It's a purpley, like a little purpley. See, you can see. Okay, but we are gonna open this baby up, and we are gonna get started. So, first, I'll be back. I need to go get a pair of scissors. Got some pair of scissors. We're gonna cut where this line is. If you can't see it, but there's a line back here. If now you can see it. But we are gonna cut that line. Let's cut it. Don't want to go too close because then we will chop off the thingy. So, okay, we cut it off. After we cut it off, we open it. It feels weird. Okay, we're gonna make a little tube for this baby. Yeah.
Hey guys, are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we opened it up. Now, guys, this looks so pretty. OMG. That feels weird. It's like an air bubble. It's like an air bubble. It's like an air bubble. Now we're gonna pour it into the bowl. We're going. Says after that, take it out. Okay, we're taking it out. Man, this is a lot. Well, look at it.
Let's see.
That's a lot of slime, guys. Oh man, that is so pretty. I'm telling you guys, that is so pretty. I'm gonna go get a spoon to get the rest of it out. So we are gonna fasten it probably because it is very, very sticky. So I'm gonna go get this. Plus my parents are in the back. Okay. You all know Nene. But we are gonna open the top probably. Well, I might use some scissors. This is hard. Okay, opening it. We're gonna have to do it. Ooh, I like the top. It's like a little view. But we are going to open this up. Or I might poke a hole in it. There's more at the top than the bottom. Okay. Get it out, get it out, get it out. Get it out, get it out, get it out. Oops! I just dropped stuff into the slime. I might make it pretty in a way. Mommy, look how purpley it is. So pretty. You just got another flower. But look at this. It's so majestic.
Majestic.
Yeah. Look at it. Feel it.
Looks like you.
I know. I'm gonna put the lid.
Dad, feel it.
Feel it.
I'm good.
I might add some decorations to it. A little decoration. But look at the top. Mommy, it's like a little goo.
Did you say what the name of it was?
No.
It's called Slime Cafe. Slimy Cafe. Jamise.
Do you read what it says right here?
That says Jamise. Slimy Cafe.
Right here.
We really over getting nice for each other. Decorate your Orb Slime Cafe squishy.
Didn't tell us we needed to squish.
Yeah, I think she's supposed to buy a squishy and then put this on them. But nonetheless, she's
We
having
have
fun
Play-Doh.
with it. Alright, I'm going to add enough tomato.
Oh, it feels weird, guys. Mom, can I put little sprinkles to it?
I'm gonna trash it when you're done.
Why?
Because I have to add ants and sprinkles.
Okay, no sprinkles. But guys, it is so stinking pretty. I'm gonna take off my band-aid. Feel this, guys. Wow. This is so pretty, but heavy in a way. Man, that is pretty. But sticky in a way. It's so we're gonna mix it up. Mix it, because it is still mixable. Mix because it's still liquid and I want it to be a fully whole slime. So I'm gonna keep on mixing this. Mix, mix, mix. If you want to see it. Oh. Don't forget, if you didn't see my gymnastics video, don't forget to subscribe. And subscribe to my mom's our channel. With this stuff, comment below if this slime is amazing. Whoa. Guys, this slime is so heavy, I can't even pick it up. Like, for some reason, I can't even pick it up. So I'm gonna keep on mixing it. And I'm gonna see if I can do, if it squirts out. Okay, done mixing it, and we're done. Okay, there's still some more. There's more in there. And boom. They could have walked the other way. And my dad, he's walking in the back. So let's put this slime in here so we can see what this baby does. Okay, I get to scrape it. I get a paper towel. It's slime, so what do you expect? Okay, we are going to leave this in the freezer for 1 minute. And I will be right back once this is done. So it has been 1 minute, but I changed it to 5, so it has been 5 minutes. So I'm going to open this top and let's see our reveal. See if it's so squishy. Come on. Guys, look at that. That is ginormous. Ew. Mom! Come here. Oh, dude, that is just gross. Oh, man. That is cool. This is like the bestest slime thingy I've ever seen. Mom, look it.
Put that in there?
Yeah, I put it in the refrigerator for a
You
little.
put it in the refrigerator.
Yeah, for a little. Look at that.
What happened to the video?
I paused it for a little, so the timer wouldn't go on. But look at that. But it's cool. That's awesome. Can you stay in my video? Can you come in my video for a little, please? Yes, Mom. But look at it. That is really cool, guys. But I'm gonna open this up here and get all that ooze. Mom says, yeah.
Smell it?
That's so strong.
Let me see.
It smells funny. I thought it would taste like grape or something.
You ate it?
No.
You said you thought it would taste like.
Smell.
You said taste.
Smell.
I'll be eating this.
I'm not eating it. Ew! Got the rest of that ooze. I can't get the rest of that ooze out.
Let me see.
I'll pour it. You push it. Thank you.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Y'all never mind my nails. I know I need a fill.
She broke her nail because Daddy put something on the wrong way.
I'm sorry. That's not how it broke. No, this one came off when we was building a fort. I was moving.
I get paper towels.
Okay. I was moving a pallet. Actually, this wasn't for the fort. This is when we was moving those boxes, and I broke it.
And she this nail that has a lot of Band-Aid on it, she accidentally broke it, and it's cracked on the side, connected to her
So it had
real
one
nail.
of these nails on there.
It's her fake
And
nail.
I went to get the drill from up top, and the drill fell. So it hit the fake nail, bent it back, and completely peeled off my my real nail.
And so she's too scared to take it off.
I'm letting it heal before I deal with it. Okay, not scared. They can't even see it. Oh, there you go.
I showed him. Man, that's weird. It feels sticky. Ew.
I'm gonna scoot it back so you have some more
Whoa.
space so they can see the top of it.
Look it. Watch this, guys.
Oh, I still messed it up.
It's so
It's
itchy.
gross. So that's the nasty part.
Yeah.
It feels sweaty. I know it's like an oil on it, but it feels sweaty.
Yeah, every time you touch it, it feels so in a way. But it feels weird.
I gotta use the bathroom. I forgot. I was going.
So we're gonna mix it up again. So Daddy, daddy, daddy. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'm gonna squeeze it again, but then I'm gonna wait for mommy since she's using the restroom, and I wanna show her the first part. Ooh, ooh, it's so oozy. It feels, every time it gets on your hands, it feels rubbery, like rubbery in a way. But it feels weird. But it smells nasty. Oh, it's already coming out. It smells, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, look at that. That is just so, it feels majestic. Like, it looks so majestic for some reason. I don't know why, but ooze party. Gonna close it and wait for mommy. So we're gonna smack it, smack it, smack it, smack it. This is how it came, but I like the top. It's very pretty. It's like a purpley, and it has like a little ooze to it. But I'm excited, and it has a little glitter to it for some reason. It feels good. So I'm gonna wait and talk to you guys in a bit. Guys, my mom's not gonna be in the video anymore, but I'm gonna show you some close-ups. Okay, we're gonna put that bowl right there. Open the top. Ooh. Show you the ooze. Show you the ooze. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ugh! That's what I'm telling you guys. That looks like a blob of ooze. Ugh. Ugh, that's just nasty. Ugh, let me just get back in. Ew. That's just nasty. That's just nasty. Watch it. That's just nasty. But in a cool way. Oh, that's just nasty. Yeah. But it feels cool. So I'm putting it back in and doing something. We did it. You might prank somebody, guys. Okay, this is all the ooze I'm taking out. So I might cut it. Everything changed, God. Everything changed, God. Man, guys, look at that. I wish one of you were here. Don't forget, whoever we saw on the boat trip, if you didn't see the boat trip, we went on the boat trip for our days. And I miss you guys. Watch this guy. Zombie thirsty. This reminds me of zombie dude. Like zombie slobber. Like, or it reminds me of, oh yeah, goose or something. Like something goose stuff. Like goosebump stuff. But Ew. That's just nasty, guys. Look at that. That is just ew. Oh, look at that. That is so oozy. Ugh. I just love how it oozes. So I'm gonna take off this bowl and use this plate because I want to make stuff. Okay. Look at a giant Ew! This reminds me of milking cow. Ew! Oopsie. Oopsie. Yeah, 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 yeah. It was a big Sandy Hollis candles speak all on Christmas Day. To celebrate for me. Everything changed underneath. It's completely empty, guys. It's completely empty. But this stuff is cool. Like, I'm gonna cut it. That's just cool. Look at me laugh, kiss them goodbye. Bury your friends, kiss them goodbye. If you see this stuff, guys, in the store, buy it so I can see your videos, so I can see this. I'm so purple. Oh, my face. My face. Oh man, this smells terrible. It just looks like stuff came off of my face. We're gonna bury the knife, guys, because the knife is cool and I really want to bury it. So we're gonna bury it. I buried it. I'm trying to leave it up, but suddenly it doesn't want to stay up. Toby, if your parent doesn't let you have slime, because my mom usually doesn't, because she thinks I'll get it places, but I don't. Okay, let's make some dinner. We're having jelly and bread. Let's chop. 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 Time to eat up. Don't play with your food. For me. Mustachio. Bobby, I got a mustachio. Oh. Chop, 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 chop. Chop. This is the candy factory. Oh, and even tell me in the bottom below, don't forget to subscribe. Touch that subscribe button. And if we get a lot, we're starting to giveaway. So don't forget, we're still giving out Chromebooks for whoever's doing in summer. So keep on low with that. If you love our videos, tell me for part 2 for slime. If I get another slime video, ask for part 2. Or toys video, ask for part 2. So I can make a video for you guys. Yeah. It's expression. So I'm gonna stop this video because I want to play my tablet. Plus I'm doing this on my tablet, so I wanna have some dinner. I'm gonna chop up some dinner. Make some dinner before I have to go. Make a dinner. Make a dinner. Make a dinner. 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 Make a dinner. Make a dinner. 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 Make a dinner. Make a dinner. Make a dinner. Ooh! So bye guys. Love you and stay safe.